Hello friends, welcome to my channel Guiding Light. So as you can see, there is a toy. So you must be thinking, what are you going to learn with the help of this toy? So it is a very interesting thing that I'm going to teach you with the help of this toy. Okay, so you can see here, these are small cars which we used to play with this toy, right? So what is you can make out is, now the cars will be going from here, they will be going on this track. Okay, so what is they are doing, they are going moving from one place to another. Okay, so what is this thing called, moving from one place to another? It is called as motion. So today we are going to study about motion. Okay, every day we come across motion of objects. Say for example, if you are moving this, okay, so start moving. Yes, see, it moved and it is moving in motion. Motion of people, motion of animals, motion of birds, etc. So let us find out what are the different types of motion. So we see that object is in motion. Now a body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to its surroundings. Okay, now this car I put here on this track and it starts moving, right? So we say that the car is in motion. But can you see the cars over here? Are they in motion? No. Therefore they are called as they are at rest. Rest means they are not moving. Okay, now there are different types of motion and we'll see the different examples associated with them. First learn the translational motion. Okay, if I move this car, it will move. This car, this one. So the position of the car changes continuously, right, during its journey, and all the parts of the car move equal distances in equal intervals of time. So such a motion is called as translational motion. Okay, the car is moving and all the parts of this car is also moving, so it is called as translational motion. There are types of translational motion. There are two types. One is rectilinear and curvilinear. From the name only, rectilinear means, linear means straight line. Now you can see this is a straight track. This is a straight track. This is a straight. When the car is moving in a straight road or a straight motion, straight track, it is known as rectilinear motion. The direction of the motion of the object remains the same. And curvilinear means, can you see these curves? When if a object moves along a curved path, say for example this one, it is moving along this curved path, here also it is moving along the curved path. So this is called as curvilinear motion. Now observe this motion. What can you make out? It is rotating, right? Now earth rotates around its axis. Okay, this is a rotational motion. So what is the definition? The distance moved by different points on the earth is not same, but all the points complete the rotation in the same time. Such motion is said to be rotational motion. One of the common example is fan. Fan is rotating. Once we switch it on, rotation about of the earth about its axis, motion of spinning top, okay, motion of flywheel are examples of rotational motion. I will explain to another motion, that is periodic. Okay, periodic means what? If the motion of an object is repeated along the same path at regular intervals of time. Regular intervals means, now you will see motions of the hand of a clock. They are moving, okay, in that interval, right? So it is an example of a periodic motion. Say for the rotation of the earth about its axis, revolution of the earth around the sun. These are some of the examples of periodic motion. Some of the situations we can also observe combination of different types of motion. For example, clock also two types of motion are combined. One, you can see a periodic motion as well as a rotational motion of the hands, right? So with this video, I hope you understand the different types of motion: translational, rectilinear, curvilinear, periodic and rotational. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.